Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start new chapter, chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry. Let us first understand introduction, children. Here in 9th standard you studied the location. To locate the position of a point on a plane, we require a pair of coordinate axes that is known as x-axis and y-axis. The distance of a point from the y-axis, that is known as x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate, that is known as ordinate. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x0 and of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0y. Let us understand by diagram. Children, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now students, this intersecting point, that is known as origin, coordinates of that 0, 0. Now children, let us take this point on x-axis. Distance of distance of this point from y-axis, that is x1. x1 coordinate is known as abscissa, and this point is on y-axis, on x-axis. Therefore, y coordinate is 0. Similarly, here distance of this y1 from x-axis, that is y1, and it is on y-axis, therefore x coordinate is 0. Similarly for this point. Now children, distance between these 2 points, this point and this point, that you know, that is x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 in modulus signs. So this is positive always, this is also positive. Similarly here also, distance between these 2 points is y1 minus y2 in modulus sign. Now children, we are interested to study in this chapter distance between A, B. Okay, so this distance between these 2 points A, B, we will study with the help of formula. Coordinates of A, x1, y1, coordinates of B, x2, y2, children. How to find distance between A and B? If they are on x-axis, this is the formula. If they are on y-axis, this is the formula. But if they are in the coordinate plane somewhere here, then what is the formula? So entire chapter based on, children, this distance between these 2 points and other details we will study one by one, stepwise. Now children, we want to study this to find distance between PQ, children. Now children, we know that here PQ we want to find. You can see that this is right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras, this formula we can write PQ square equal to PT square plus QT square, children. Now children, here what is PT? That is nothing but PT is equal to RS. What is the distance between RS? Just now I told that this is RS. So here RS PT square we can write RS square, and QT square is what? Here is QT. So here you can extend this line this way, children. So QT is nothing but distance between these two. Suppose we call it here MN. So it is MN square, children. Okay. Now children, what is RS square? This is nothing but x1 minus x2 whole square plus MN means what? It is here. So it is y1 minus y2 square, children. So PQ square, we have obtained this formula. We remove this square sign, so it is under root sign x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. If we write, children, here different just separately, so PQ square equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. This is formula, children. Either you use this formula or remove this square and put here square root sign. So by this way, children, this is very easy to remember this formula. Now children, let us understand this topic. We want to find distance this AB. Okay. Here this is the point 3, children. Here it is starting from 0, 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now children, find the coordinates of A. Coordinates of A are 3, 2. Coordinates of B are 7, 5, children. Now find out distance AB, children. Now it is very easy, children. You can see that just now I taught formula AB square equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now children, what is x1? x1 is 3. What is x2? It is 7. What is y1? 2 minus 5 square, children. Now children, 3 minus 7, that is minus 4 square, plus 2 minus 5, it is 3 square, 16, 9, 25, AB is equal to root 25, that is 5, children. Understood? Now children, now onwards, this diagram we will not draw. We will strictly follow this formula, children. So up to this, we will not put square root sign. AB square 25 up to this. Now we remove this square root sign. AB equal to root 25 and final answer is 5. Distance we know that always positive, so answer will be in positive form. So by this way, children, we found the answer. It is very easy, children. Example 1, children. We have 3 points. 1, 2 and 3. Question is, will they form a triangle? If so, name the type of a triangle. Now children, here PQ, find out it is root 50. Just children, x1 minus x2, x2, that way here values are kept and finally we got root 50. Similarly QR, similarly PR. Now children, see the next step. How to find PQ, QR, PR, that you can understand. It is x1 minus x2, children. This is x1, this is x2. So 3 minus minus 2, children. This you can understand this way. 3 minus minus 2, that is 3 plus 2, children. This 3 plus 2 કેવી રીતે? આ રીતે ખબર પડી. એ જ રીતે y1 minus y2. So this is y1 is 2 minus minus 3. So it is plus. હવે આવું બધું મારે તમને શીખવવાનું હોય નહીં. હવે તમને આટલું તો આવડવું જ જોઈએ. તમે કે સરજી તો સર બિગિનિંગ છે. ઓકે. So only I explained you. But now onwards you must know by this formula. પહેલો લેટર હોય એ હંમેશા x હોય, સેકન્ડ લેટર હંમેશા y હોય કોઈ પણ સિચ્યુએશનમાં. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ x1, સેકન્ડ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ y1. If you speak x2 તો y2, if you speak x3 તો y3. x3 અને y1 આવો ગોટાળો નહીં કરતા. હા, x1, x2, x3, x4 એ તમે ગમે તે બોલો, અને x ને આને y, આટલું ધ્યાનમાં રાખો. First is x, second is y. If suffix is x1, तो here is y1. If x5, तो y5. बराबर है? Okay, चलो children. तो PQ, QR, PR समझाई गई? Move to the next page. Wait 1 minute, children, before we proceed to the next page. Since the sum of any two of these distances is greater than the third distance, therefore the points PQR form a triangle. Children, આ કન્ડિશન તમે 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં ભણીને આવ્યા છો. ઓકે, તો કોઈ પણ બેનું એડિશન એ થર્ડ કરતા વધારે હોય તો એ ટ્રાયેંગલ થાય, અને એ તમારે ત્રણે ત્રણ કન્ડિશન માટે ચેક કરવાનું. ઓકે, સો હિયર વી આર ગેટિંગ ધેટ વે. સો નાઉ યુ કેન સી ચિલ્ડ્રન, PQ square is 50, PR square is 2. Squaring, children, I am speaking. PQ square is 50, PR square is 2. Add them, so 50 plus 2 is 52, and that is QR square. So this is right angle triangle, children, by Pythagoras. Example 2. Show that all are vertices of a square. So children, first step is find out AB, BC, CD, DA, AC, BD. Calculation થોડું લાંબુ લાગશે પણ practice થી આવડી જશે children. Now children, since AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to up to DA and AC equal to BD, all the four sides of the quadrilateral ABCD are equal and its diagonals are also equal. Therefore, this is a square. Sorry children. Now alternate solution method is given that you can see, children. Example 3. Here, 3 students, Asima, Bharti and Camilla are seated at this point, this and this. Here in diagram you can see here one child, here another child, here another child. Question is, do you think they are seated in a line? Give reasons for your answer. Now children, AB, this, 9 plus 9, root 18, 3 root 2, BC this, AC this. Now, since AB plus BC, we are getting this, that is nothing but AC. You add these two, you are getting this result. Meaning is what? We can say that the points A, B, and C are collinear. Therefore, they are seated in a line, children. Now see children, first example was about triangle, second was about square, third, this example just now we have seen that is about line. Now children, little bit different type of question. Find a relation, children, between x and y such that xy is equidistant from the point 7,1 and 3,5. Children, maths શીખતી વખતે આવી નાની નાની વાતો ધ્યાનમાં રાખો. પહેલા 3 ક્વેશ્ચન હતા એ પ્યોરલી ડાયાગ્રામના બેઝ ઉપર હતા. હવે ક્વેશ્ચન થોડો જુદી ટાઈપનો થયો, સેજ ફોર્મેશન પણ અઘરું લાગે, કારણ કે પહેલામાં શું હતું, ઉપરના 3માં જસ્ટ ફોર્મ્યુલા લખો, વેલ્યુ લખો, રૂલ્સ રેગ્યુલેશન્સ કંઈક એપ્લાય કરો અને કંઈક ડિરાઈવ કરવાનું હતું. અહીંયા શું થઈ ગયું, એક રિલેશન બનાવવાનું કહ્યું, એટલે ગભરાઈ જવાય કે આવું કંઈ તો યાદ નથી આવતું, પણ બહુ સિમ્પલ છે. Let P xy, this xy we call it P, be equidistant from point A and B. So we are given that AP equal to BP, therefore AP square equal to BP square. હવે આ તમને ખબર પડવી જોઈએ ચિલ્ડ્રન કે AP equal to. બીજી વસ્તુ, એક્ઝામમાં એવું નહીં કહ્યું હોય કે આ ચેપ્ટર 7 નો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, સમજાયું? તો તમને ખબર પડી જવી જોઈએ કે અહીંયા આગળ આવું કહેવા માંગે છે કે AP equal to BP આપ્યું છે, ધેરફોર એનો સ્ક્વેર કરો તો AP સ્ક્વેર ઇક્વલ ટુ આ ફોર્મ થશે, ઇક્વલ ટુ સાઇન થશે, BP સ્ક્વેર એટલે આ થશે. ઓકે, નાઉ ચિલ્ડ્રન, હવે અહીંયા આગળ તમને A માઇનસ B હોલ સ્ક્વેર આવડવું જોઈએ, તો x સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ 14x પ્લસ 49 ચિલ્ડ્રન આટલું ખબર હોવી જોઈએ, this part. Okay, similarly for y, so it is y square minus 2y plus 1, similarly this side and this side. Now children, x square cancel, y square cancel. This minus 14x minus 6x, that you can simplify children, and similarly here also, so x minus y equal to 2. This is required relation. Now see children, one remark is given. Now same question children, for this question this remark is given. So here after conclusion something we will read, this part can be added in question part. Here we know that this is x minus y equal to 2. This is linear equation in 2 variables. We know that linear equation in 2 variables gives us a straight line children. So AB, this is a line. Now children, it is given that from your earlier studies you know that a point which is equidistant from A and B lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB. So here children, this is point AB, this line we have drawn with the help of taking some points, and we can see that the graph of x minus y is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So here they can ask everything from this and they can make a different types of questions. Example number 5. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the point A and B. Now children, ફરી થોડો ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ટ્વિસ્ટ આવે છે ક્વેશ્ચન 4 કરતા, બરાબર? તો અહીંયા બરાબર સમજી લો કેમ કરવાનું તે. વી નો ધેટ એ પોઈન્ટ ઓન ધ વાય એક્સિસ ઇઝ ઓફ ધ ફોર્મ 0y. આ જો આઈડિયા નહીં આવે તો ગાડી આગળ નહીં ચાલે. સો લેટ ધ પોઈન્ટ P0y be equidistant from A and B. Now children, this way, this point and A, P, so this written, and B, P, for that written here. Now children, we found y equal to 9. Okay, 6 minus 0, this is nothing but only 6, so 6 square is 36. For 5 minus y square, so 25 plus y square minus 10y. Children, અહીંયા આગળ થોડો ઓર્ડર ચેન્જ કર્યો છે, પણ બહુ ચિંતા નહીં કરો, તમે y સ્ક્વેર minus 10y plus 25 પણ લખી શકો. By similarly here minus 4 square, that is plus 16, 3 square is 9, y square minus 6y. Now bring this side, y square cancel. Okay, 4y equal to 36, y equal to 9. So the required point is 0, 9. Now children, let us check our solution. It can be asked or it may not be asked. If AP is equal to root 52, BP equal to root 52, means what? Given point P is equidistant from AB, root 52, we are getting, children. Okay, now one note is given. Using the remark above, we see that 0, 9 is the intersection of the y-axis and the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now children, we will meet in next video session, but homework I am giving you, children, this question number first, you try yourself. Definitely we will do in next video session, but this you can do, this also you can do, determine if the points are collinear or not. So collinear example number 3rd we have done. By that way you can do this. Similarly, this also you can do it, isosceles or not. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? That you know, any 2 sides out of 3 sides are equal, then we can call it isosceles triangles. So children, we will meet in next video session. Meanwhile, you can solve this 1, 2, 3, 4 problems as a homework, children. Okay, thank you, children.